A person spends rupees 10,000 on a fake Gucci bag. They know it's fake, the seller knows it's fake, even the people around them know it's fake. So why they buy it? Because they are not buying leather, they are buying a reputation. And in Pakistan, that's become a billion rupee business. Luxury has become a shortcut to status. Luxury brands like Gucci, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Dior and Prada weren't built overnight. They spent decades, even centuries, building craftsmanship, heritage and exclusivity. But in Pakistan, many people don't want the heritage. They just want the logo. You guys definitely watch those street break your outfit coach interviews, which tells you how much Pakistanis like to show off their fake luxury products because we started believing that wearing a famous name automatically makes us look successful. The logo became more important than the product itself. We buy the name, not the quality. Think about it. If someone sees two identical bags, one has no logo, the other says Gucci, many people will choose the Gucci one, even if it's fake and even if the quality is worse, because they are buying recognition, not craftsmanship. This is called brand signaling. The brand becomes more valuable than the object itself. Social media made it worse, especially Instagram and TikTok. Every day we are surrounded by images that tells us what success should look like. Designer bags, luxury perfumes, expensive watches, branded shoes, wedding shoots, luxury cafes. Eventually, our brain starts associating these logos with achievement. Instead of actually liking the product, we just ask, what will people think if they see me carrying this? And the best example of this you see in university students. They try hard, even harder to look cool and expensive no matter what these fake products cost them, but they will flaunt like their life depends on it. The Landa phenomena. One of the most interesting things in Pakistan is how obsessed people are with finding branded items in Landa markets or second-hand stores. Instead of searching for something that's actually worth the money or like a vintage item that looks or feels good, many people spend hours searching for a Gucci shirt, a Tommy Hilfiger hoodie, a Nike jacket. Not because they genuinely love the design, but because of the label stitched inside. Sometimes the item is years old, sometimes it's heavily worn, sometimes the quality isn't even the great anymore. Yet the excitement that comes from owning a famous name is insane. The logo becomes the price. Buying fake luxury wouldn't make you wise, I promise. Many people buy fake luxury hoping others will think they are wealthy. But the people who actually own genuine luxury products usually recognize fake ones almost instantly. Yes, the stitching, the proportions, the hardware, the leather, the logo placement, even the shape. Luxury enthusiasts notice these details because authentic brands invest heavily in craftsmanship and consistency. So instead of creating the impression you hoped for, a poor quality replica may have the opposite effect among people who are familiar with the originals, and that is more embarrassing than wearing no luxury at all. And honestly, not wearing luxury is not embarrassing. It's not even a thing. Local brands deserve more respect. This is something Pakistanis rarely talk about. Instead of spending thousands on fake Gucci, why not support local craftsmanship? Pakistan has tons of brands that is selling such good quality, elegant products which are definitely better than buying Balenciaga's shopper. Pakistan has skilled artisans and many local brands producing quality leather bags, clothing and accessories. Those products may not have a European logo, but they are honest. You are paying for the product itself, not pretending it's something else. Real style isn't about borrowing someone else's identity. It's about wearing something confidently because you genuinely appreciate it. Fake luxury appears cheap. Many people don't realize this, but fake luxury appears cheap and instantly devalue the person. Because luxury isn't just about a logo, it's about authenticity, confidence, and again, craftsmanship. When someone tries too hard to look rich through obvious fake branding, people often notice the effort more than the status they were trying to project. Ironically,
Please
true
enjoy
wealthy
your
people
evening.
are often less concerned with showing logos everywhere. Many prefer understated quality over obvious branding. Maybe the real question is, why do we feel the need to prove our worth through brands at all? Because confidence can't be stitched onto a handbag, class can't be printed on a t-shirt, and status isn't something you wear, it's something you build. The most expensive thing you can own is authenticity, because anyone can copy a logo, but no one can copy genuine taste. If you like the video on consumer psychology, fashion marketing, do hit a subscribe.